Today, our team of amazing mini machines will transform this muddy swamp into a full Formula One racetrack. Let's get to work! Before any construction begins, the team must survey the land. The wetland area is uneven and soft, so careful measurement is important.
Once the survey is complete, we know exactly where the track, stands, and pit lane will be.
Because we're building on a swamp, we need to drain excess water first.
Because we're building on a swamp, we need to drain excess water first.
The ground slowly becomes firm enough for construction. Next, the team fills the area with layers of soil, sand, and gravel to create a strong foundation.
Layer by layer, the land becomes flat and stable.
It's time to build the racetrack!
The track must be smooth and strong for high-speed racing.
Curves, straights, and the pit lane all take shape beautifully.
Now let's build the grandstands, where thousands of fans will cheer.
Seat by seat, row by row, The grandstand quickly rises.
The construction phase is officially complete. Our mini machines have done an amazing job.
It's almost race day. Look at all the fans arriving. And there they are, the incredible F1 cars, ready to race.
The crowd roars as the final preparations are made.
And they're off! Come! What a start! They're battling for every inch! Incredible speed. These mini machines built a truly fast track. A lightning-fast pit stop, thanks to the efficiency of our mini robots. Close call. This race is full of drama.
The leader is pushing hard now. Only one more lap to go.